Have you ever heard an engine roar so loud it shook your chest? Not at a NASCAR superspeedway or a fancy stadium, but on a dirt track under the Florida night sky. That's the magic of Southern Raceway in Milton, Florida. It's gritty, it's loud, and it's as real as racing gets. For fans of grassroots motorsports, this place is a hidden gem. It's not just about watching cars go fast. It's about community, competition, and passion. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into what makes Southern Raceway so special. From thrilling race nights to its roller coaster past, this is one Florida raceway you need to know about. So if you're a gearhead, a dirt track fan, or just love American motorsports, stick around. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump into the story. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll want to pack your bags, for Milton. Southern Raceway is located in Santa Rosa County, just north of Pensacola, Florida. It's a 3-8-mile clay oval track that's been a local racing hotspot for decades. The track was originally built in the 1990s and has gone through several upgrades and ownership changes. Despite challenges, it's become a fixture in the Florida dirt racing scene. This is the kind of place where legends are born and engines are built in home garages. It hosts a range of events from late models to modifieds, pure stocks to stingers. Every Saturday night, the stands fill up with families, race teams, and die-hard fans. The track's slogan, "The South's Finest Dirt Track," isn't just for show, it's earned. People drive hours to catch a night of intense racing under the lights. It's loud, it's messy, and it's a whole lot of fun. Southern Raceway has built its name on speed, dirt, and pure adrenaline. Race night at Southern Raceway is something else. The sun goes down, the track lights flicker on, and the smell of dirt and fuel fills the air. Engines warm up in the pits, fans grab snacks, and the anticipation builds. Once the green flag drops, the action doesn't stop. Cars slide through corners, kick up rooster tails of clay, and fight for every inch of track. You'll see contact, close calls, and sometimes wild flips that leave fans gasping. But most importantly, you'll feel the energy, the heart-pounding, ground-shaking thrill of real racing. The announcer calls the action with excitement as the crowd cheers on their favorite drivers. It's a full sensory experience, loud, gritty, and unforgettable. Whether you're a veteran fan or new to the sport, you'll feel right at home. This is racing the way it was meant to be. What makes Southern Raceway truly special is the people. Many drivers are locals, hard-working folks who race on weekends out of pure love. You've got guys who build their own engines after their 9-to-5 job. You've got families running their own race teams, generation after generation. There are fan-favorite veterans who have been racing here for decades, and rising stars, young drivers hoping to make a name for themselves. Fans get to know the drivers by name, follow their seasons, and cheer for them like family. It's not just about who's fastest, it's about who shows heart. You'll hear stories of drivers coming back from crashes or winning after rebuilding a car overnight. That kind of grit connects with the fans. At Southern Raceway, the drivers and the crowd share the same dirt and the same dreams. Southern Raceway has seen its share of big nights. The track hosts several major events throughout the year that attract top talent from across the region. The Southern All-Star Super Late Model Series is always a fan favorite. There's also the Battle on the Beach, a multi-class showdown with cash prizes and high stakes. During these events, the pits are packed, the grandstands overflow, and the racing is next level. You'll see trailers lined up, sponsors on shirts, and serious competition. It's a chance for local drivers to shine against big-time racers. Sometimes an underdog comes out on top, and the crowd goes wild. It's these moments that remind you why racing is such a thrilling sport. High speeds, high drama, and high emotion. And every race night brings the chance to witness something unforgettable. Of course, Southern Raceway hasn't had it easy. Florida weather can be unpredictable, and rainouts are a regular challenge. Managing a dirt track is tough. It takes constant maintenance and community support. There have been times when the future of the track felt uncertain. In the past, ownership changes and economic struggles led to temporary closures. Each time, the fans and racers rallied to bring it back. Fundraisers were held, volunteers stepped up, and the racing community refused to let it die. That kind of loyalty shows just how much the track means to people. It's not just entertainment, it's part of the town's identity. Southern Raceway has been knocked down before, but it always gets back up, and every reopening feels like a victory lap. Now, let's talk about the track itself. Southern Raceway is a 3-8-mile clay oval with wide turns and long straights. It's perfect for fast, aggressive driving and 3-wide racing. The track hosts a variety of classes, so every fan finds something to love. Late models are the stars of the show. Big, fast, and brutal. But you've also got modifieds, pure stocks, stingers, and even junior divisions. Each class brings its own style and strategy. Some nights it's all about finesse. Other nights it's all about power and control. No matter what's racing, it's always loud, fast, and unpredictable, and the variety keeps fans coming back every week. So what do people ask before heading to Southern Raceway? First off, is it kid-friendly? Yes. Families are welcome, and kids love it. Can I bring food? Most events have concessions, but rules can vary. Check ahead. What about safety? The staff prioritizes safety for both drivers and fans. Is there seating? Yep, there's plenty of bleacher seating with good views of the whole track. What time do races start? Usually around 7 p.m., but gates open earlier for practice and pit access. Are there big races to watch for? The annual special events are huge draws, and especially for out-of-towners. How much are tickets? Very affordable. It's one of the best value nights out in Florida. Can I meet drivers? Yes. After the races, fans often hang out near the pits and meet their favorites. Is it loud? Oh, absolutely. Bring earplugs or embrace the roar. If you've got more questions, drop them in the comments and I'll answer them. The future of Southern Raceway looks promising. With new promoters, fresh investments, and growing fan interest, the track is gaining momentum. There are plans to expand events, improve facilities, and bring in more big-name races. They're also focused on building up the next generation of racers. Youth divisions are growing, and schools are getting involved in motorsports education. The track is exploring digital content too, like live streams for fans who can't attend. That kind of forward thinking is what will keep the track alive, but it's the heart of the fans and racers that fuels it. Every cheer, every lap, every comeback adds to its legacy. And if momentum continues, Southern Raceway could become a national dirt racing landmark, all while staying true to its Florida roots. So if you've never been to Southern Raceway, now's the time. It's got everything you love about racing: speed, excitement, passion, and community. You won't find corporate polish or million-dollar teams here. What you'll find is real racing, raw talent, and an unforgettable experience. Come for the thunder, stay for the people, and leave with stories. If this video fired you up, smash that like button and subscribe for more motorsports deep dives. Got a favorite Southern Raceway moment? Drop it in the comments. Share this with someone who needs to experience dirt racing at its finest. We'll keep bringing you the sounds and stories of America's best grassroots tracks. Thanks for watching, and remember, support local racing. It's where real legends begin. See you at the track.